Managing diabetes requires a careful approach to nutrition, particularly when it comes to protein choices. Selecting the right meats can significantly impact your blood sugar levels, heart health, and overall well-being. This guide, tailored for the GMI Healthy channel, combines expert recommendations with personal insights to provide a balanced, engaging, and actionable resource for those looking to optimize their diet. 1. Skinless Chicken Breast. Why it's beneficial. Skinless chicken breast stands out as an ideal option for individuals managing diabetes, primarily due to its low fat and high protein content. This lean protein source plays a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. The low fat content helps avoid unnecessary spikes in insulin, while the high protein levels slow the absorption of carbohydrates, promoting more controlled blood sugar levels. This combination helps prevent post-meal blood sugar surges, making it a perfect choice for those aiming to manage their diabetes more effectively. Additionally, the protein in chicken breast keeps you feeling full longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating and aiding in weight management. Beyond blood sugar control, the high protein content supports muscle repair and growth, which is vital for overall health. This makes skinless chicken breast a versatile and beneficial staple in a diabetic-friendly diet. Preparation tips. Opt for grilled, baked, or roasted chicken breast to avoid unnecessary fats. Pair it with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or bell peppers for a nutrient-rich meal. Example dish: herb-seasoned chicken breast with a side of roasted zucchini and a light vinaigrette salad. Personal insight. Incorporating chicken breast into your meals is a simple, versatile way to maintain stable blood sugar levels. It's a staple protein that blends well with various cuisines, making it a reliable option for long-term dietary planning. 2. Salmon and Fatty Fish. Why it's beneficial. Salmon, anchovies, and sardines are excellent choices for diabetics due to their high omega-3 fatty acid content. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and support heart health, key factors for diabetes management. Omega-3s also help improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier to regulate blood sugar levels. These fatty fish are low glycemic, providing a steady source of energy without causing blood sugar spikes. This makes them ideal for maintaining stable blood sugar throughout the day. Additionally, they are rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, promoting overall health. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet a few times a week can greatly benefit diabetes management, offering both blood sugar control and heart health benefits in a flavorful, easy-to-prepare form. Preparation tips. Grill or bake salmon with olive oil, lemon juice, and fresh herbs. Serve alongside non-starchy vegetables like kale or cauliflower. Example dish: grilled salmon on a bed of spinach with steamed broccoli. Personal insight. Adding fatty fish to your weekly meals can transform your approach to diabetes management. Not only do these fish offer unmatched health benefits, but they're also incredibly flavorful and easy to prepare. 3. Pork tenderloin. Why it's beneficial. Pork tenderloin is a fantastic option for diabetics due to its low saturated fat content and high protein levels. This lean cut of meat is heart-healthy, offering a nourishing source of protein that helps regulate blood sugar and supports muscle repair. Its low fat content also makes it an excellent choice for maintaining a balanced diet and managing weight, which is particularly important for individuals with diabetes. What makes pork tenderloin especially versatile is its adaptability in the kitchen. It can easily be incorporated into a wide variety of diabetic-friendly recipes, from roasted dishes to stir-fries, ensuring a flavorful meal that aligns with blood sugar management goals. Its mild taste allows it to pair well with different spices and vegetables, making it a staple for anyone seeking a balanced and enjoyable meal plan. Preparation tips. Roast or grill pork tenderloin for a tender, juicy result. Combine with fiber-rich vegetables like spinach, cauliflower, or zucchini. Example dish: Parmesan-crusted pork medallions with a side of roasted asparagus. Personal insight. Pork tenderloin's adaptability makes it a fantastic addition to your meal rotation. Avoid processed pork products like bacon or sausages to prioritize your heart and blood sugar health. 4. Filet mignon and lean red meats. Why it's beneficial. Lean red meats, such as filet mignon, are rich in high-quality protein, making them a valuable addition to a diabetic-friendly diet when consumed in moderation. These meats provide sustained energy, supporting muscle maintenance and repair, which is essential for overall health. Additionally, lean red meat can help stabilize blood sugar levels by providing a steady source of protein, which slows down the absorption of carbohydrates and prevents blood sugar spikes. When prepared healthily, such as grilling or broiling, filet mignon and other lean cuts of red meat offer numerous health benefits without compromising blood sugar control. They can be easily incorporated into meals, offering variety and rich flavor while contributing to long-term diabetes management. Preparation tips: grill, bake, or broil filet mignon to keep it lean. Pair with low-carb sides like roasted Brussels sprouts or cauliflower mash. Example dish: grilled filet mignon with garlic spinach. Personal insight: red meat doesn't have to be off-limits for diabetics. Choosing lean cuts and moderate portions allows you to enjoy its rich flavors without compromising your health goals. 5. Skinless turkey breast. Why it's beneficial. Unprocessed, skinless turkey breast is an excellent lean protein choice for diabetics, offering a host of benefits. It's low in fat and calories, making it ideal for blood sugar control and weight management. This lean meat helps stabilize blood sugar levels by providing a steady source of protein, which slows the absorption of carbohydrates. Additionally, turkey breast is packed with essential nutrients, such as niacin and selenium, which support overall health. Niacin helps improve circulation and energy metabolism, while selenium plays a role in antioxidant defense, supporting immune function. This makes skinless turkey breast a nutritious and heart-healthy option for anyone looking to manage diabetes effectively. Preparation tips: roast with herbs and spices for a flavorful dish. Pair with low-carb vegetables or whole grain options in moderation. Example dish: herb turkey breast with a side of green beans and a cucumber salad. Personal insight: turkey breast is perfect for meal prepping and works well in various recipes. Its mild flavor makes it an excellent canvas for bold seasonings. 6. Duck and other poultry. Why it's beneficial. Duck provides a unique, richer flavor profile compared to chicken or turkey while still delivering healthy fats when consumed in moderation. Its nutrient content, including protein and essential vitamins, makes it a satisfying and nutritious choice for diabetics seeking variety in their meals. The natural fats in duck, when prepared appropriately, contribute to satiety without causing blood sugar spikes. While chicken and turkey are more commonly used in diabetic diets, duck offers a tasty alternative that can keep meals exciting and flavorful. Its versatility allows it to be incorporated into a range of dishes, making it an excellent option for those looking to diversify their protein sources. Preparation tips: roast duck with minimal added fats. Use as a protein base for stir-fries or salads. Example dish: ginger-infused roast duck with cauliflower rice. Personal insight: incorporating duck into your diet occasionally adds variety and richness to your meals. It's a satisfying way to explore new flavors while maintaining a diabetic-friendly lifestyle. 7. Organ meats. Why it's beneficial. Organ meats, such as liver, kidney, and heart, are exceptionally nutrient-dense, offering high concentrations of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, along with essential minerals such as iron and zinc. These nutrients play a critical role in overall health, particularly in boosting energy levels, supporting immune function, and aiding in blood sugar regulation. The rich content of bioavailable iron in organ meats can help combat fatigue, a common issue for diabetics, while their unique nutrient profile contributes to better metabolic health and improved insulin sensitivity. Preparation tips: start with a blend of organ meats and ground beef for a milder introduction. Incorporate into recipes like meatballs, tacos, or spicy curries. Example dish: liver and onions with a side of cauliflower mash. Personal insight: organ meats can be intimidating, but their health benefits are unparalleled. Experimenting with bold spices and sauces can make these cuts more appealing. Key takeaways: choose lean, unprocessed meats like chicken breast, turkey, and pork tenderloin to support blood sugar control. Incorporate fatty fish like salmon for heart-healthy omega-3s. Moderate consumption of lean red meats can still be part of a balanced diabetic diet. Explore nutrient-dense options like organ meats for added variety and health benefits. By making informed choices and preparing these meats creatively, you can enjoy delicious meals that support your health goals. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. For more tips and recipes, subscribe to My Healthy, where we're dedicated to empowering your journey to better health.